But right, what we've done is we ground off a bit more on the disc, put some spacers behind the caliper, and we seem to be pretty bloody good. Obviously these bolts too long, which is my own fault. At the moment, that is set of series, that's vented discs on a series 2 car. So that's an improvement. Everyone tells me it's an improvement, it's an improvement. So on this side over here, we haven't really done anything. We never took this off. We put some space behind the calipers because we were trying to space it to fit without the vented disc. But I also made the pipes up to this side, and I've got an idea how to do that. So that's good. I've got a few things I need to alter. Mainly just the way the pipe's routed to go into a unit, which I've already got over there, so that'll be fine. I've had a few sherbets tonight. I should do. I decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that bloody thing off it gives me, which it probably bloody will. Now the problem I've got is what I do with the camera, because the camera at the moment is not actually helping me any, because I can't see what I'm filming. Right, so for the minute, what we're going to do is we're going to rip this one off, right? Because we know it's so good, yeah. We know it's all in the wrong place, so we're going to take this caliper off. But we've got a problem. I actually turned the caliper on. I know. You're going to say what a twat. I'm going to say what a bloody twat too, because I actually did use the God, what's that happened? I think I can get away with it. I think I got away with it. I think I did it once, so I got away with it. I made the brake pipes. I made the adapter up. So for the minute, the T piece that I did, I haven't done. I've done for the other side. So that's the 2 pipes and the T piece to do the 2-in-1 adapter for the Volvo caliper. Now, this is going to tell you something interesting. That had shims in it. This has got shims in it. I hope you can see this, because if you can't see it, then I'm wasting my bloody time. So it doesn't really matter, is it? And also, they would film me. I haven't got a whole film crew to, assist in what I'm doing. So there's my caliper. There's my adjusted shims. I don't know where they all are, but there should be enough from here. So, right, okay, well, we got a bit of an issue. Right, straight away we're into a problem. We've got those ones are all. Those 2 are apparently adjusted. They're not. That's bloody hell or other ones are bloody great. God, you know, I'll tell you what. You have a bloody idea. That's adjusted. It's like, that's grand. That's grand. So that's okay, so that's good. Alright, we're doing okay, we're doing alright. We're not doing brilliantly, but we're not doing bad. So, the main aim at the moment is to remove the said hub, get the bearing out into captivity, and flip it over, and with the help of our trusty zip gun, which won't work on this side, which is why we have to have the extension, because the zip gun, it's got a big shoulder on the inside, which won't allow you to get and hold it. So this is an all-time first for these, to be honest. They came out, no problem. This one. That's not, I'm not having this problem on the other side, am I? So, the other side, mind you, the other side has been off a fair more times than this bloody side has. Okay. Oh, I was spinning. Got a spinner. Houston, we've got a spinner. So that's the last one. The last one. Okay, guys. I do love the way it. I don't know whether you saw that, but I love the way it reverses direction when I'm don't want it to. Right, so okay, so they're out. They're out, but now the disc isn't coming off. Disc off. Disc is consigned to the scrap heap of history, that one. And this is the new world order. The new world order, as they say. Now, not this much with a flat burr in them. So they go on like so. And that's got a like burn it, and that goes in like so as well. And that one's got a slight burr in the washer, so that goes on like so. And that one goes on like so. God, there's always bloody one missing, isn't there? Bloody always. I mean, you can go bloody tear. I mean, mind you, the bolts are too long. Now, I know that. I know the bolts too long. I know the bolts too long. So when I get this set up, I will cut the bolts off. I know they weren't the right bolts to start with. They were the next best sort of solution. So that's our last one. And he's gone in as well, so that's it, that's good. So what we're going to do, contrary to all popular beliefs and, you know, people are saying like, you know, yeah, you could do this, you can do anything you want really with these things, you can't do what you bloody want. Because at the end of the day, mate, it's just down to you, it's just you and the car. And I know that these bolts were long. I bought them because I couldn't get any short ones, so I know that they're about 1/4 inch, so I need to take the 1/4 inch stump off the back of off them. But when I get the size I want and it's this I'm happy with, then I'll hit the bloody things off with the angle grinder. And just for good measure, I'll knock the heads over. Don't think I need to, but I'm going to do it anyway. So right, so you got to get this set back up now. Okay, there you go. Oh God. You know what? This is actually turning out to be sort of like slightly more easier than I thought, but not that much more easier. Yeah, we'll just keep going until you get it right. That's on its highest torque setting, so they're on there. Now well, this next bit I'm going to show you, but I might have to go back and delete. Oh, we'll see. I might have to do a bit more. I might have to do a bit more adjustment because I don't know about this bit at the moment. Seems alright. I just don't know whether it's going to clear. The back of the disc has got about. Well, actually, on this side it's got about bloody quarter. It's got 1/4 inch clearance, so this side might show just how bad they. I'm not saying where the disc came from, but I think you already know. But the discs were not. They weren't round. They weren't balanced, and they weren't bloody straight. So, but they were made in England supposedly. So that just shows how our manufacturing quality's gone down the bloody tubes, doesn't it? So. Yeah, well, there you go. There's our first problem. She's rubbing on the uprights. On this side, she's catching on the uprights. So we'll get some witness marks on it. It's not on the caliper faces. It's purely on the bottom end of the upright. It's purely on the bottom end of the bottom of the upright. Now I don't know whether this is like, because obviously I'm tying that up, and I've gone up as far as I can, which is really quite difficult. But I think you guys are not blind. You can see. Look, right, I'm taking the gloves off because I'm having a drink now. I've had enough now, guys. I'm not doing anymore. It is too much. I'll just show you what's happening. The caliper's rubbing on here. See that? It's polishing the crap paint off. So it's that close. And it's not that close that it's going to make a bloody difference. But it is that bloody close. So we need to sort of just give this a little gentle grind to get some clearance. Because it's not going to make a difference whether the ball joint's tight at the top. Because that's still going to catch the bottom. So, as it stands at the moment, I'm going to grind these, grind the back of this, take the back of this, back of this, back of this, and the back of this. Right? And then in theory, I'm going to clean that hole out there because the split pen has been twisted off. And then the caliper will bolt straight back up, because it can't be any difference. The caliper's the same. Now I say that, but when we actually measured them, they're not. One was actually different to the other one. So there are a few issues here that maybe it's to do with quality control. I don't know. Could be quality control from David. I don't know. But we got to get some washers onto those 4 bolts on the bottom of the ball joint. That's not a good big problem. We also got some stuff that's got to be still tightened, but we done all right. We done good. We're getting there, guys. I mean, come on. I mean, look. Once I get the brakes on, then and the engine's running and the clutch works, then the car's going to move under its own steam. I'm in here. I'm still fighting. I'm still trying, babes. I'm still trying to do it. And these bloody brakes are bloody annoying, because it's like you do 1 step forward and 10 back. But they're going to be fine. They're going to work. They're going to be fine. We're going to have ventilated double 4 pistons on the front, and we got a single piston series XJ6 on the back. So we should have a balanced braking system. We know the engine's okay. The clutch is a suspect. The diff we should think's all right. Drive shaft should be good. The radiator is holding water. So I'm actually ready to get this thing driving. So watch this space. It's coming on. We're getting there. And as I said before, time's precious, so I'm wasting it bloody wisely. I'm up here in the shed on me Todd. And I'm going to say, guys, I'm enjoying it. It's okay. It'll be fine. That bottom hose is going to be fine. That hub's going to be fine. And in reality, does it really matter? Do you know what I mean? Like, at the end of the day, what's going to be better, or what's going to matter about it? It's going to work. And I'm really gutted it was £100 a side, but hey, shows you can do it on the cheap if you try hard enough, or you can buy a kit, and they've done all the hard work and charged you £1,000 for doing it. Well done, guys. Anyway, no product guarantee, no liability on any of it, but don't worry about it, it's fine. I will say one thing. Like British Rail in the 70s, we're getting there, mate. And it's going to be fine. Talk to you soon, and thanks for watching.